to Super Slick Slimes. I'm Ella, and today I'm with
Mom.
And she's going to be trying to make slime with not my help, and it's going to be like the grandma trying to make slime challenge. So let's get on to the video. So now she's going to get started.
I'm thinking of using all of the stuff I think that you don't like.
Okay.
I've never made slime before. I have no idea what's going on.
But you've seen some of my videos.
Does that make enough glue? Yeah. Right?
Yeah. So here's all of our stuff. There's like a lot of things there, and like that's.
Don't say anything to me. I have no idea what's going on.
Okay.
Now I'm using some Dazo clay.
It's not Dazo clay.
Oh. What is it?
It's just like random clay.
I'm thinking in my head how it's going to come out, but I'm not sure.
And I'm just going to give you a tiny hint that some stuff you'll have to add in after you make the slime. Not while you're making the slime.
I don't know.
That's why we're hot.
Do you usually speed this up?
If you want me to.
What's this? Water? Maybe you need some water? Yeah.
It doesn't really matter. What do you think would make it not stickier?
Maybe some baking soda? You better save me some of this stuff. That might work. I don't know. I don't know. Activator maybe? That make it less sticky?
I can't tell you anything. That's what you said.
Maybe lotion.
Lotion? Make it less sticky?
Cornstarch. Actually, it might be okay. I think I'm just gonna go into.
You're gonna go into what?
I think it needs a smidge of smell.
Smidge of smell? What smell is that?
No, I'm not telling you. How many drops do you usually use?
You have to like bang it out. Wait, is it even coming out? Oh. Get your hands, oh my god.
What am I supposed to do? I don't know how to do that. Alright, so now
Looks like she's adding in some brown clay. It's still on the coffee thing?
Do you use your hands to mix it up?
Yes. Is that the best way to get that out? Poor baggie.
Oh boy. It's gonna take a lot to get it to mix in. It takes a long time, huh?
Yeah. Okay guys, we'll show you what it's mixed in. Okay guys. So, why are you gonna put glitter? It's a bad slime. Guys, look how bad the slime is. It's like not even like stretchable.
How do I make it more stretchable? Wait, don't touch it.
Okay, now my mom's going to do some ASMR mixing in the glitter.
Oh, sure. Do I have any more lotion?
I don't know.
It's gonna blow the glitter.
Okay guys, we have to put the fan on because it's way too hot in here. Okay, so now my mom's doing some ASMR. So, I guess this is the finished product of the slime. Feels kind of like a squishy.
It's supposed to be. Wait, it doesn't have enough glitter. It's supposed to be a pumpkin spice. See? Pumpkin spice latte. See, it's a pumpkin.
Oh.
And smell it.
Wait, what scent did you put in? She put in caramel corn scent. That's what it was.
Then, wait. I'm not done.
Okay, she's not done. Now she's putting in more glitter.
This is my Oh my god, see, the fan blew it. It was supposed to go down there.
Oh, it's too hot. You guys, don't you love your slime?
It's a pumpkin. What do you think?
It looks pretty cute, but it's not the best.
It's scary looking. It looks like pizza. Like dough. It looks like pizza dough. Oh, I could have made a pizza. Could have made pizza slime with glitter pepperoni.
Okay guys, here is some proper ASMR with the slime. Kind of hard. Like, stretch it. Try to stretch it. Oh no! It's on the floor. Pumpkin spice on the ground. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did,
Subscribe.
and like, and comment down below 1 to 10 how good you think my mom did with this slime. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.